Are you looking for an affordable townhouse community here in the southwest side of Las Vegas? Well, in this video, we're going to be touring Tempo Trails by DR Horton. More specifically, we're going to be looking at the 1410 floor plan, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is DR Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas or you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor, guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. All right, everyone. So today is September 24, 2024. And today we are going to be touring Tempo Trails by DR Horton. This is a townhouse community that recently just opened up. Now we're located here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. The nearest cross streets is going to be Blue Diamond and Decatur. So really close to the freeway entrance, the 15 freeway entrance. Takes about 12 to 15 minutes to get to the airport and the strip. Great area. There's also so many stores and restaurants close by, mostly on Blue Diamond. But yeah, guys, I'll have the floor plans on the screen for you. So they offer two floor plans here, ranging from 1,309 square feet to 1,410 square feet. Prices are also ranging from $382 all the way up to $398. Now, that's just the prices today, okay? But they are subject to change later on as well. They usually get more expensive later on. These are both going to be 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-story, 2-car garages. Okay. Now, the way DR Horton builds is they are a spec builder. So what you see is what you get. Everything you see inside these model homes is pretty much included except for the furniture and the accent walls. So you'll even have the refrigerator, washer, dryer, and the blinds. Okay. And by the time you get into contract as well, you only have to wait about 30 to 45 days before you actually close on your house. Okay. So a couple things about the community. It's a pretty large community, 222 homes here. They're going to have a pool right over here. Okay, so this is going to be the pool right in the front of the community. HOA is $98 a month. It is not gated. So the HOA is going to cover like the pool and just the, the maintenance of the outside over here. And yeah, that's about it. Let's get started with this tour. Right, welcome everyone to the 1410 floor plan. Now, the 1410 floor plan is going to be 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-story, 2-car garage, and today it is priced at $397,990. So let's check it out. Again, DR Horton, what you see is what you get. All they make is spec homes here. Okay, so video doorbell is included as well. So when I say spec homes, that just means DR Horton chooses all the options. By the time you get into contract, these homes are about 30 to 45 days away from completion. Okay, so welcome in. So it's pretty open. We have the living room here. We have the dining room and we have the kitchen. Okay, you're gonna have 8-foot ceilings on the first floor and the second floor. Okay, looks like we have this vinyl plank for flooring. That's gonna be all throughout the first floor. These accent walls, the furniture, all of this is not included, but you will get blinds, okay? It's like the 2-inch Foxwood white blinds there. All right. Okay, so nice little dining room area. So welcome to the kitchen. This is gonna be quartz countertops. You're either gonna get this or gray. As far as the cabinets go, they normally switch off between the white or the gray cabinets. Okay. It's also townhouse community. It's also electric here. Cool. So we have the Whirlpool microwave. Got the dual basin undermount sink. We also have the dishwasher right here. Okay. And refrigerator, again, that is included. So definitely having the refrigerator, washer, and dryer included, that'll save you money when you have to move in, because those things, refrigerator, washer, and dryer, and blinds, I mean, that could cost you about like $5,000 to $6,000. Most builders don't include that, so you definitely save money with DR Horton. And this is the garage, but right now it is a sales office, so true 2-car garage right here. You also have your powder room. Now, one thing I noticed about the powder room here is the ceiling. As you can see right here is going to be like 8 foot. Right here, it comes in more, so it's going to be like 7-foot ceiling. Okay, you have your pedestal sink. As far as the paint goes, you're going to have like white paint all throughout. It's going to be semi-gloss finish in the wet areas, and then you're going to have the flat finish all throughout the house. So if you have kids and they like to, you're afraid they might make a mess or kind of like hit the wall, run on the wall, flat finish, if it gets dirty, it's pretty hard to clean. So, I probably would recommend maybe painting the whole house semi-gloss. Because with semi-gloss finish, you could easily wipe out dirt. But if it's flat finish, I feel like it might even just be better to repaint it. So this is nice. The stairs, okay, you have like really high ceilings. All right, so welcome to the second floor. So you're gonna have your loft. You'll have your primary bedroom right there. And then you're gonna have your 2 bedrooms right over here, okay? Now, these are transfer grills, helps regulate airflow. In the hallways, you're gonna have smoke detectors / CO2 detectors. And in the rooms, you'll have smoke detectors. Okay, so bedroom number 1. And then for any of these bedrooms, you could switch that light out for a ceiling fan. Now, if you're watching this video and you are interested in new construction and, you're thinking about visiting a new construction community for the very first time, do me a huge favor. Just give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd be honored to go with you on your very first visit and help you out through the process. Now, if you're working with a realtor, that's okay too. Just make sure your realtor goes with you on your very first visit. The only problem is if you go by yourself, right? As soon as you walk in, the builder agent's going to have you sign this document and you fill out your name, email, phone number. And once they see that you don't have an agent with you, they're going to put you in their system and you won't be able to have representation down the road. It's very important to have representation because the new build agents look after the builder's best interests, but we look after your best interests. I highly recommend just getting some representation. We're very familiar with the process. And we know when to negotiate for you. We hold the builders accountable. Okay, so this is gonna be the full bath. So you got the white quartz right here. Okay, drop-in sink, Moen faucet. So all this, like the sink, the faucet, that's what you can expect, as well as the shower tub, fiberglass. Okay. And then right here, it's going to be your laundry room. Okay, so you have your washer and dryer. That is included again. All right, place for your linen. All right, so welcome to the primary bedroom. This is going to be a king size bed. Okay, so here, take a look at the community. As you can see, there's going to be plenty of spaces for guest parking, which is really nice. And then this is going to be your full bath. So you have the walk-in shower, fiberglass. Okay, you have the single sink. And then you're going to have your primary closet. And then you'll see this in most new builds too. This is a smart panel box. So this is where you put your like internet, your router, everything right in here. But yeah, guys, that pretty much wraps it up for this video, this floor plan. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Until then, I'll catch you guys next video.